So I sent my PowerPoint deck to the group of designers, and they took out all my content. I had all this text on there, and they took it away, and they replaced it with one word. What the hell? I need all that. They don't realize it. I need it. No, you don't. The designers are right. We can't read and listen to you talk. What? That's right. One word, 3 at the max. That's all we can take. All right? You got to do the work, not your slide. But it was a good slide. No, it wasn't. It was horrible. All right? I saw it. I was with the designers. We actually talked a lot of crap about it. What? You did? Yeah, listen. It's time to stop using all those words. I can't hear you talk and read a book at the same time. Okay? Send it as a pre-read. But no one reads pre-reads. Well, hey, at least you did the work. Your presentation will be better because of it. All right. So ridiculous. Now go rehearse. Get out of here. I'm right.